Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change property prices on booking.com. Now step 1 is just go to this admin.booking.com section of the website. Like there are two websites. First one is booking.com, the simple website. Let me just open that one as well. So you must know that you are in the admin panel. Now that is a simple booking.com. Make sure to go to the admin panel where you have listed your property. So from this page, you can just go to the home page, and inside the home page you will see this kind of option like booking.com. So home page, so inside the calendar and pricing, just click on this option, and from this option just click on calendars. And once you click on calendars, so wait for it until it loads. Now inside this section you can just scroll down and you can see the property and the prices as well. As you can see, like mine is written 7,000 per like available, and on the right side you will see these options like open or closed. Like you can check the status, availability or not available, and you can set the rate as well. Like there are 2%, like the first like two for 7,000 and one is for 6,300. So let's say if you want to change it, you can just let's say I want to change the rate for two people to like 8,000. You can change it. As you can see, like for this date is has been changed. Like if you want to select multiple dates, you can just scroll down like this one. As I have selected, you can just select all the dates, and you can just update the price, and it will be updated into a whole section. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can update your property prices inside the booking.com. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.